Good morning, children. Today we are going to see natural resources. Okay, so we have seen some more things in the previous class. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take a quick recap of whatever you studied in the previous class. First one is, what is a natural resources? First you started with the resources. Resources means a source of things. Okay, it may be whatever. For example, a tree. A tree is a source of many things. It enables us to create pencils and all, right? So tree is a source that gives us raw material to make things, right? So that is what a resources is. A natural resources is one that is come from the nature. For example, tree, sand, whatever it is, sunlight, everything, it comes from nature for us as a resource. It gives us raw materials. Understand? So that is what a natural resources. Okay, so we divided a natural resource into two parts, which is renewable and non-renewable resources. Yes or no? So in renewable resources, the renewable resources are resources that will never get exhausted, that will never get emptied. That is what a renewable resources, right? So the second one is non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources is something that will get exhausted, that will get emptied after using for sometimes, after using for more, right? So that is what a non-renewable resources. And there was a tablet column which you have to find whether it's a renewable or non-renewable resources. First one is coal, iron and petrol or non-renewable resources, while forest and then air and then sunlight are renewable resources. We saw something about sunlight, solar energy. Solar energy is a main source of energy for all living things, and it is used for many things, right, that we learned in the previous class. For example, photosynthesis, which plant use sunlight to produce food, and then solar electricity, which we use. We observe the solar energy and then convert it into electricity for our daily use. That and all we saw. And then what else we saw? We saw that solar energy is used for many purposes, like drying the clothes and then drying whatever it is wet, and we are using it to produce food also, cooking also we used solar energy. Now what we are we have seen two activities, which is what you have to do is you have to take a bean and put it in the mud and then make it to grow in sunlight and in dark, and look what happens. Have you done the activity? If you have done the activity, you could have seen that the mud that has seed and it has put in the sunlight grows faster than the other one, right? So that's the reason we need sunlight. We need sunlight for plants to grow, and plant is the main source of food and it has been used for so many things. Now what we are going to see is we are going to see soil. What are soil used for and how it can be utilized in our daily life. Okay, so we walk on soil, we live on soil. Soil is a renewable resources like water. Soil is a necessary for the growth of plants. You already know the plants get water and salts required to prepare their food from soil. You will know more details about it in the higher class. So first one, what are the uses of soil? First one, you can see whenever you go, wherever you go, you can see plants, right? You can see food. Without food you cannot live, right? So what is the main source of food? The main source of food is plants. Plants is the one thing that gives us food for daily life, yes or no? And plants will give us food only if it grows, right? Yes or no? So plant will grow only with the help of soil. Without soil, plant will not grow, right? So first one, the plants need most is sunlight, water and some minerals from soil. Water and minerals can be get from the soil. Okay, sunlight will be provided every day in the morning, right, by the sun. but soil needs to provide water, required water and minerals for the plants to grow. Okay, so soil provides water and minerals. Which is necessary for the growth of plant, and plant plays an important role in our daily life. It is what provides us food. And then the second one is for our housing. Okay, whenever you see a house building, you can see that soil has been used as one of the ingredient to build the house, right? So soil is used to build house. Without house we cannot live on the sunlight, right? Or in the cold we cannot live. That is what home provides us, a house, right? Without house we cannot live on the streets or something. So soil plays an important role in building our new houses too. Next one, we live on soil, right? We live on land. Without the land, where we live, we cannot float, we cannot fly or something, right? So soil is most important for our daily lives. So there is an activity in page number 64. Make a list of activities for soil which is used. First one, you can say soil provides water and minerals for the growth of plants. Second one, soil is used for building the houses, right? So we can also playing with soil. Growing trees. These are all some basic activities that we use soil to make. Okay. Next renewable resources is forest. That we will see in the next class. Now I am going to give you some questions about this question that you have to write in your classwork note. Okay. So first question is, what is a renewable resource? And give example. In order to answer this question, everyone take to page number 61. In page number 61, last paragraph, renewable resources. Can you see the last paragraph? In that, what you have to do is, you have to write from this chart, resources like solar energy, air, water, soil are available in nature in spite of their usage. Since these are continuously available over the period of human lifetime, these resources are called renewable resources. This is the answer for what is renewable resources, and give example, because see, they have given you examples. Renewable resources like solar energy, air, water, soil, forest. These are the examples. It is given in the answer itself. Next one, what is non-renewable resources? Give example. Okay. For answering this question, take to page number 62. On the first page, you can see the topic, right? Non-renewable resources. Page number 62. Topic non-renewable resources. Resources like coal, petrol, diesel and natural resources will run out due to their continuous usage. Such resources cannot be renewed. Hence, these resources are called non-renewable resources. This is the answer for the second question. Now, third question is, What are the uses of solar energy? For that, I have given you answers in page number 63. Make a list of activities done using solar energy. That is the answer for what are the uses of solar energy. Okay, so fourth question is, what is a solar energy? For that, here is the answer. Solar energy is the energy obtained from sun. Sun is the main source of heat and light to the earth. Okay, that's it. That is enough. This is in page number 62. Okay, so copy all these questions and answers in your classwork note and send the picture to me. See you in the next class. Bye.